for joining into the channel. Make sure you click subscribe and get all the updates. You ready?
Yep.
All right, this is the maiden flight of the A37L Freewing. I will definitely say I was absolutely nervous about flying this one, but it's a good flying airplane. Take a look. Starting the clock. It's tracking a bit to the left. That's not bad. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Go. Trim it out a bit. Are you? How much trim? There we go. Elevator. Flies super stable.
Awesome.
It flies good. It's a big old baby. This one's definitely less stressful than the MiG.
Yeah.
Big old rudder turn on that. Little low flyby. Plenty of power. Got another 40 seconds on the clock. How's it coming out, Mike?
So far, so good.
Put the power on in the turn.
Nice job.
It's the airplane, I swear. We'll set up for a landing here. Let me just test the flaps out. Break the rules and land with the wind. Yep. Yes, sir. It's going to either go one way. Gear down. The wind doesn't gust, doesn't come in. So this is an excellent flying airplane. One thing I noticed is that if you really wanted to get a scale landing, you have to maximize and max out the elevator. So I was flying with 100% in order to get it to do, a scale landing after this first maiden flight. So if you're going to do the maiden, I would definitely put in at least 90% to 100% throw on the elevator.